welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. It's a rainy day, and I've been putting this review off for a while now, but a fan had requested it. They said, please, will you please, mister, review the Cotton Candy Blizzard from Dairy Queen. And if you look up Cotton Candy Blizzard Southern Snack, you're not going to find a review from me, because I'd never done it. When I started 3 years ago, the Cotton Candy Blizzard had already been out a couple years. You know, it's a summer staple for Dairy Queen. Surprisingly, it's the only one that's really been able to come back every single year, which is crazy because a lot of people love s'mores and love the s'mores blizzard, yet we haven't seen it in 2 years. So it's very interesting that cotton candy, very polarizing flavor in my opinion, comes back every year. I do enjoy it. I think it's good. But again, it's pretty crazy flavor, but it's unique, and it kind of makes the summer blizzard lineup fun. So I feel like if they took this away, people would also be upset. So anyways, we're going to review it because I've never done an official review. There we go. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. You can see the color that it is. It's a light pink, and it's got nice little crystals that taste like cotton candy. Man, I like this a lot. It's not the greatest blizzard ever, but it's very interesting and holds true to the cotton candy flavor. So if you hit that subscribe button, like, and comment on this video, I just said that all in one long standing mumble. But no, if you like on this video and comments help me. They also tell me what you want. You know, again, a fan recommended that I do this, so if you have any recommendations, I do listen. It's a very sweet blizzard, but it nails the cotton candy flavor. You've got that sugary, artificial hints of fruitiness flavor. If you can hear the rain, I apologize. That's just what it is. But yeah, it's iconic. It's flavorful. It's super sugary. But I can see why a lot of people love it. And it feels nice to eat something that I've had before a couple times. But like I'm always reviewing things, so I don't ever take the time to revisit things. So it's always nice to kind of get this kind of video here to kind of revisit everything. It's simple, it's good. Honestly, I can see why someone would give it a 10. I think it would be interesting if they could really incorporate actual cotton candy. I understand why they can't. Because it's hard to kind of keep that in inventory. So these crunchy rock pieces, that's kind of what cotton candy turns into once it's sitting out in the air for a while. So they do a good job with that. It's kind of like putting dehydrated cotton candy in this. But I would give this like a 8.5, because I've had blizzards that I just love because of their dynamicness, their different textures, their different flavors. And cotton candy is just straightforward cotton candy. Really good, but not quite top tier in the blizzard list. And, you know, if you don't like cotton candy, it's going to put you off. So, yeah, that is the Cotton Candy Blizzard. Every summer it comes back. You ain't got much longer. I'm sitting here at the end of July. I would say at the end of August, you're almost out of time. So yeah, probably September or October, it's gone. So if you don't get it, you don't get it. And I can't guarantee it will be back next year. Always a good chance. But you know how they've been doing our boy s'mores? They've been doing them dirty. So yeah, that's my review. I'm sticking to it. And I will see y'all around.